Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, install the dual center bracket with the supplied U-bolts, with the edge of the bracket against the differential housing. Do not fully tighten at this time. Install the 1/2 by 2.5 inch bolt and washer to the bracket, and install on the tie rod with the offset on the bracket to the inside. Please note, the bolt cannot be installed after installing the bracket. The offset must be to the inside to ensure the stabilizers do not bottom out while turning. Install the cover plate as shown with the 1/2 by 2.5 inch bolts, washers, and stabilizers. Level the center bracket horizontally and tighten the hardware using a 3/4 wrench on the stabilizers and 9/16 wrench on the axle bracket. Install the opposite ends of the stabilizer cylinders on the tie rod bracket bolts installed in an earlier step. Slightly snug all brackets and turn the steering from side to side. Make adjustments to the tie rod brackets to allow the full stroke of the stabilizer cylinders. This can be done by moving the tie rod mounts in or out. After the brackets are centered, tighten with a 9/16 wrench. Have questions? Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.